Tonight, a political earthquake shakes Washington to its core. A fiery showdown in the Oval Office. President Donald Trump and Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky engage in a tense, explosive confrontation. A meeting meant to build bridges has now deepened divides, leaving the world stunned. Witnesses describe the tension as unbearable. The confrontation escalated, voices were raised, and just like that, what could have been a landmark economic agreement was torn apart. Ukraine, desperate for continued aid, now faces an even more uncertain future. What was supposed to be a diplomatic discussion quickly turned into a battlefield of words. Trump, known for his blunt and often unpredictable style, accused Zelensky of gambling with World War III and showing a shocking lack of gratitude for America's support. And in an even more stunning twist, Vice President JD Vance threw fuel onto the fire, warning Zelensky that his criticisms of Trump would, quote, backfire. Witnesses described the tension as unbearable. The confrontation escalated, voices were raised, and just like that, what could have been a landmark economic agreement was torn apart. Ukraine, desperate for continued aid, now faces an even more uncertain future. This is not just a meeting gone wrong. This is a turning point in global politics. Trump's stance could redefine America's role in the Russia-Ukraine war and shift the entire balance of power. And perhaps the most chilling moment, Trump, in his characteristic style, suggested that Ukraine, quote, may be Russian someday. A shocking remark that has sent ripples across the international stage. With a world at the edge of conflict and America's role hanging in the balance, one question looms large. What happens next? Will Ukraine lose its strongest ally? Will the war take an even darker turn? We'll bring you exclusive insights from top political analysts and hear from sources inside the White House. Stay with us. This is a moment that will go down in history.